Right now, the education sentiment score is at -0.18, a sharp drop compared to the historical baseline. This indicates a notable shift in how people perceive the education sector. With a momentum of +0.34 and 19 semantic clusters, this suggests a rising intensity of discussions, even if the sentiment is negative. You might want to tap into this data to refine your learning platform's marketing strategy. For instance, by analyzing the semantic clusters, you can identify specific pain points in education that users are discussing, allowing you to tailor your content and outreach effectively. Our API delivers nuanced insights like these, helping you understand not just the trends, but the underlying sentiments driving them. For more details, head to pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.